Today we shall look at emotionality versus rationality. I have a full-length video on this particular topic, but to make it a brief audio, while we spoke about emotions being very precious and we should not be spending these emotions unnecessarily. Too much of emotionality, here we are referring to expressing your emotions, especially emotions of overjoy, emotions of over sadness, anger, high anxiety, or for that matter becoming emotional either towards something positive or towards something negative can become a little more imbalanced, where the person might not be able to have enough judgment and then carried away by the emotion. On the other side, rationality or reasoning is only if the person is more rational and reasoning. For that particular person or whoever it may be, connecting to people is always associated with the reason. So we have to understand reasoning is always a limited thing, and you can't always reason everything, especially when it comes to relational issues. So having a balance between these two, emotionality and rationality, what the Bhagavad Gita says as sthita prajna, a balance in all situations, be it emotional or be it high charging happiness or a low phase or anything where you are showing your balance, and then how you can be that a balanced person. So this is not something that does not come with the practice, and it's possible that you have to always keep a balance between where you can be emotional, to what extent you can be emotional, because when you are too emotional also, especially when it comes to negative emotions like anger, depression or anxiety or fear, you are in a very vulnerable, sensitive state of mind. And then it's also possible that you can be scapegoated or manipulated very easily if you are a highly emotional person. On the other side, being too much rational, you cannot connect to people, and then you will not be able to empathize with the other person. It's always the reason that is playing in your mind as the primary way of taking decisions. And then to conclude, what I am saying is, both of them in moderation, both of them in balance will always help the person to assess the situation, to assess the people, their mind and the environment around with much more clarity, without becoming overexcited or without becoming too much stuck with the reasoning. I hope this short audio will help or make some sense to you. Thank you.